Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to tell you about spread operator in JavaScript. What is spread operator? Let's head back to our browser. Spread operator, and the syntax is like this, three dots. So how we can use a spread operator in JavaScript and what is it? For example, I am having one object, person, okay? And we have two properties, like let's say p name, person name, Tom, and person age, for example 23. Hit save and I try to console.log person. When I hit reload, I see one object. Now if you want to add some more properties to it, you can use person dot p address is equal to, and you can output some new address like United States. Hit save, and if you reload, you get one more property. Okay, but we don't want that anyone should add properties like this. Instead, copy all the properties and then add properties over it. No one should change this state. This variable should only receive two properties, pname and page. So what you can do, make one more constant and write here demo person, one more name. Okay, and now what you are going to do, you need to first of all make one new object. Okay, you use spread operator 1 2 3 and then type the name of the variable, and now you can add the variable. For example, p address is equal to United States, like this. Now if you try to console log this and console log the person, hit save, hit reload. Okay, just fix the syntax, hit reload. You get first version is like this. See, your first version is intact, it hasn't changed, and the second version you have new property. So what does the spread operator do? Spread operator, if you while you are making a new object, if you use spread operator before the main variable name, it takes out each and every property of that object and paste over here. It takes out each and every property and copies or paste in the new object, and then it adds another thing. Then after that, it adds your new property. The spread operator, let me give you one definition for this and then we end the video. Spread operator takes out all the properties present in your main or base object, and then after pasting into your new object, you can start adding more properties to it. So that's the use of spread operator, and it's a very basic example. Later in the videos you will see more advanced examples using spread operator. If you like the video, do hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe my channel and please support, because I am providing over 25 plus technologies absolutely free of cost. I will see you in the next lecture. Until then, keep learning.